Welcome to Storytime with Brigi. Today I have a wonderful story to share with you called, drumroll please, Baby Shark Saves the Day. Written by my friend Christian Bergstrom, who has given me permission to read this story here today. Thank you so much, Christian. And his wife, Hannah, and Aunt Anton and Lenara Kiss also were co-authors to this wonderful story. Let me just adjust my camera so that you can see the pictures better. All right, Baby Shark Saves the Day. Let's go dive into the ocean with Baby Shark and find out how exactly he saves the day. Hi, I'm Baby Shark, and this is my friend, Bouncy Blowfish. I'm going to tell you an amazing story about how I saved the day. I was sad because Bouncy and all the other kids glided down the water slide, but I was too nervous to go. Luckily, Stella Starfish was there to help. Stella offered, "I'll help you. I'll show you how I help myself feel better, even when I feel big, unpleasant emotions." Then Stella shared her secret. She told me how to do baby shark breathing. She said it made her feel better. Sometimes a little better and sometimes a lot better. Let's do baby shark breathing together. Breathe in, do, 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 and breathe out, do, 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 do. It's as simple as breathing in slowly while moving your index and your thumb finger. Gotta find the best place to put my video. Maybe up here. Restart this page. Then Stella shared her secret. She told me how to do baby shark breathing. She said it made her feel better. Sometimes a little better and sometimes a lot better. Let's do baby shark breathing together. Breathe in, do, 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 do. Breathe out, do, 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 do. You breathe in slowly and open. Breathe in and out with baby shark. It worked. Breathe in and out with baby shark. Do, 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 do. So, restart. Then Stella shared her secret. She told me how to do baby shark breathing. She said it made her feel better. Sometimes a little better and sometimes a lot better. Let's do baby shark breathing together. Get your baby shark fingers out. What we're going to do is you're going to breathe in slowly and open your baby shark jaws. And then, so you're opening your baby shark jaws when you breathe in, and then when you breathe out, you're going to slowly close your baby shark jaws. We're going to repeat 5 times and see how it makes you feel. All right, let's start. Breathe in and out. 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 Breathe in, do, 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 do. Breathe out, do, 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 with baby shark. Great job. Guess what? It worked. Baby shark breathing made my emotions small and sunny again. I felt calm enough to slide, glide, and ride. I was so happy. I wanted to swim really fast and tell Mommy Shark all about it. Let's swim with Baby Shark. Move your arms back and forth as if you're swimming. Swim real fast, do 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 do. Swim real fast, do 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 do. Swim real fast, do 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 do, with Baby Shark. Good job. Mommy Shark, listen to me. Something happened, yelled Baby Shark, super excited. But Mommy was busy talking on her sea phone. Shh, not now, said Mommy Shark with an angry voice. I was sad at first, but then I remembered what made me feel better. I decided I could help Mommy feel better too. What do you think Baby Shark's gonna do? Let's see. Let's help Baby Shark show Mommy how to feel calm and cool. Let's do Mommy Shark breathing together and see what happens next. Breathe. So we're going to use our hands this time, like this. Breathe in slowly and open your Mommy Shark jaws. And then you're going to breathe out and close your Mommy Shark jaws. All right, let's do it 5 times and we'll feel fine. Here we go. Breathe in, do, 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 and breathe out, do, 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 with Mommy Shark. Great job. Yay! Mommy Shark felt better. I'm so sorry, I yelled, honey. My head felt like the inside of a washing machine with too many thoughts whirling around. But now I feel calm thanks to you. Nose kiss. If someone's nearby, you can give them a nose kiss or give yourself one. Boop. Then it was time to go to underwater basketball practice. But I forgot to pack my things and Daddy Shark was already late for work. Baby Shark, hurry up. We need to go. Take off your headphones. I'm already late, said Daddy Shark with a rough voice. Daddy was clearly upset, but this time Baby Shark wasn't worried at all. He knew just what to do. Daddy Shark, I know you're worried, and I know something that can help. What do you think he's going to suggest? Let's see. Yay! Let's help Daddy Shark feel better. Let's help him together. This time we're going to use our whole arm, both our arms. Okay, we're going to breathe in slowly and open our Daddy Shark jaws. Mine are getting lost in the water. Look at that. We're going to breathe in slowly and open our daddy shark jaws, and then we're going to breathe out as we close them. Okay, let's do it 5 times, and we'll feel fine. Here we go. Breathe in, do. Breathe out, do with Daddy Shark. Well done. Daddy Shark quickly felt better and less worried. Baby Shark felt super happy that he helped his dad. Wow, Baby Shark, that really helped, praised Daddy Shark. I was worried about all the things I have to do today, but now I feel less worried. Thanks to you. I'm sorry I was grumpy. Daddy and Baby Shark smiled all the way to underwater basketball practice. Swim with Baby Shark. You ready? Let's swim real fast this time. Swim real fast, do. Swim real fast, do. Swim real fast, do with Baby Shark and his dad. Then, at the underwater basketball court, I felt as if I couldn't play. Throw me, said Bouncy. I can't, it's too high for me, sighed Baby Shark, feeling nervous. Then I remembered what Stella Starfish taught me. Could it help me with these hard feelings too? What did Stella Starfish teach him? Right here. Use your breath. What do you think? Do you think using his breath would help with these hard feelings too? Yes or no? Okay, let's see. Let's help Baby Shark feel better by doing Baby Shark breathing together. Remember, let's use our Baby Shark jaws. Breathe in slowly and open your Baby Shark jaws, and breathe out slowly and close your Baby Shark jaws. Repeat 5 times and see how it makes you feel. Here we go. Breathe in, do. Breathe out, do with Baby Shark. Let's see how he feels. Baby Shark felt calmer and decided to give underwater basketball a try. He thought, maybe I can't do it yet, but I'll try and I'll get better at it. Baby Shark threw Bouncy. Bouncy flew through the water and then made a swoosh, swoosh, swoosh. Baby Shark scored! Yay! That was amazing! Good things can happen when you practice and you believe in yourself. Think positive thoughts and you can get better. Baby Shark and Bouncy celebrated together. Yay, go team! We did it together! Then it was bedtime. Mommy and Daddy praised Baby Shark for all the good things that happened. We are so proud of you, Baby Shark. We're thankful for how you helped everyone feel better. You're so kind. We love you, honey. I love you too. I don't think I can sleep. The day has been so exciting that I can't stop thinking about it, sighed Baby Shark. What could help Baby Shark calm all those jittery thoughts? I'm sure you guessed it. Let's do baby, mommy, and Daddy Shark breathing together. We'll do 5 baby shark breaths, then 5 mommy shark breaths, then 5 daddy shark breaths. And then we'll see how we feel afterward. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Wonderful job. How do you feel? Let's see how Baby Shark feels. Baby Shark felt happy, calm, and confident. He fell asleep with his sweet, sharky smile. What a wonderful day it had been. The end. I have this book on my Kindle, and you'll be able to access some really cool coloring page links and crowns and a breathing board resource when adding this wonderful book to your child's Kindle library. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much to Christian and his family. And I hope you enjoyed this story time with Brigi. Until next time.